Out in the bush, catching and studying tama wallabies still thrills Professor Marilyn Renfree after 5 decades of research.
I'm passionately Australian and I really wanted to work on something Australian. But when I started honours, I said to my prospective supervisors, I want to do biochemistry and fieldwork. And they laughed at me. Well, I'm really still doing biochemistry and fieldwork.
She's also now a world expert on Australian marsupials and has pioneered research on the reproduction, development and conservation of some of our most iconic creatures, including koalas, kangaroos, wallabies and echidnas.
We use marsupials as biomedical models. They're mammals like we are, but they do some aspects of their reproduction a little differently. And that difference makes it easy for us to ask questions that relate to reproduction in mammals and even reproduction in humans.
The biggest difference is that marsupials give birth to an undeveloped baby that immediately crawls into their mother's pouch and continues to develop for a couple of months.
You can just open the pouch and look and see what's happening at stages which in us would be 6 to 8 weeks in utero. We're trying to understand the role of the hormones and the genes, how the genes and the hormones interact, particularly to control sex differentiations.
Professor Renfree's groundbreaking research is also important for conservation and management of these unique creatures.
I'd like people to understand that we are sitting on a biological goldmine in this country, and we really need to put more time and effort and money into conserving these special animals and doing research on them, because Australia has the distinction of having the worst record for extinctions of any developed country. And that's not a record that you want to be proud of.
Professor Renfree is being honoured with one of the highest awards of the Australian Academy of Science, the Macfarlane Burnet Medal and Lecture.